Accessories list. KRGS 8P mobile app pre-configured. DC conversion line. DC power cord. 3 PCS, waterproof connector. Signal line. RJ45 plus RJ12 cable. Installation method. Insert the signal line. Insert the DC conversion line. Insert the DC power cord on the DC conversion line for RJ45 port connected to channels 1-4, not channels 5-8. RJ12 port connected to dimmer 6. Installation is now completed. Download and install Horti Guru app on your phone 8. Click on Horti Guru app to log into your account. Click on plus or add device to add a device. Click on Horticulture LED. Select 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter account and password. Click on Next. Check Confirm indicator rapidly blink. Click on Next. Device is searching when indicator flashes in red. Device is found when indicator always in red. Device is connecting when indicator flashes in green. Device is added successfully when indicator always in green. Click on Modify setting name. Click on Done. Enter the initial password 0000 and enter the app homepage. The device addition has been completed. You can start to use the control system. Menu Auto Run Program page. Menu Manually. Can manually control channel brightness for testing device. Menu Program. The system comes with 3 default programs. Can also be autonomous programming. Click here to share device. Used for remote assistance and management. Sharing devices requires registering a Horti Guru in the same country.